Are you wondering which skills will be in demand in 2026? Whether you are a student, teacher, job seeker, or freelancer, learning the right skills today can create better opportunities tomorrow. In this video, I will share the top 5 training skills that are practical, valuable, and worth learning. Let's get started. The first and the most important skill is learning AI tools. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, study, and create content. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and AI powered presentation and design tools can help you write faster, solve problems, create presentations, analyze information, and even generate images. The goal is not just to use AI, is to learn how to ask the right questions and use it effectively. The second skill is Microsoft Excel. Even in the age of AI, Excel remains one of the most requested workplace skills. Learning formulas, charts, and creating tables and make better decisions. Excel is useful in education, finance, business, and many other fields. The third skill is Microsoft PowerPoint. A well designed presentation can make a huge difference when you are teaching, presenting an idea, or pitching a project. The next skill is content creation using YouTube and then edit your content in Canva and then edit your video in CapCut. So these are the useful tools to edit and free editing apps to get started. Finally, don't overlook communication and problem solving. Technical skills help you get noticed, but your ability to explain ideas, work with others, and resolve real life problems is what helps you grow in your career. These skills are valuable in every profession. So, these are the 5 trending skills to learn in 2026. Which one are you already learning, and which one would you like me to teach next? Follow for more. I will see you in the next video.